Welcome to Fynn, Forecasting Made Easy. In Fynn, you can manage expenses, record your recurring expenses to create the baseline of your exposure to risk. We can manage income streams, record recurring streams of income with ease and accuracy. We can forecast staff expenses, record hourly and salaried staff to assess the impact alongside sources of income and business expenses. We can analyze profit and loss forecasts. We can analyze our business future over 12, 24, and 36 months to understand your financial health and avoid catastrophe. So, are you Fynn?